Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can set your payment methods while purchasing in person using PayPal app. In this video you will see if you already have a PayPal account and the app, just open it and then follow the instructions to make it more easy for you. So open your PayPal now. Okay, hold on. Okay, the PayPal is already open, so you just go to wallet if you're already there. Then you just click in person and QR code purchase. So you can see this is PayPal. Click it and you have to unselect it because PayPal will charge you direct from its own balance when you purchase in person instead of your account. So I will prefer you using your bank direct because it will be more easy for you to avoid PayPal credit and fine, because sometimes you might be low on your PayPal balance while you won't know, and PayPal will likely borrow you some amount of money to complete your payment, and if you don't pay it back on time, I'll be so sorry. PayPal is going to fine you. Because I fall into this victim before, so I don't want it to happen to anyone. Alright guys, this is it, and thank you. I wish you a wonderful time. Please subscribe and share. Hello guys.